Hey guys, so I want to show you guys how to replace the cabin filter on one of these cars. I know there's a lot of videos out there, so a lot of you probably already know this, but I thought it's a good idea to just do a quick little video, because I've heard people going to the dealers and them saying, yeah, you need one, and then charging a absurd amount of money to do this. And this is probably the easiest thing to replace on this car, you know, and it helps as far as with filtration, and as your car gets older, you'll get like a musty smell sometimes. And, you know, so it's an easy maintenance part in the car. And maybe some people don't know where it is, but I'll show you how to get to it. Okay, so all you do, you want to open the glove box here. Okay, and then on the side here, you're going to see this little latch. Okay, and it has like a little hook on it. So what you're going to do, you're going to push it back. I kind of lift up a little bit, take some of the pressure off of it, and you have to push pretty hard. You're going to hear it pop. There. Okay. And then I'll show you what that looks like. You see it? It's like a little hook, and you can pull this out, and it's a little hydraulic to make it not like just come down really hard. So that's all that is. So you get that out of the way. Okay. Okay. Now, the next step, you're going to take the sides here and you're going to push in. There's two little pins here. All you're doing is pushing in on the plastic to let those pins come off the little track. And you can even feel them. There's like little like knobs up here. So you just push in. Okay, I'll show you. Let me get this out. Show what I did. Okay, so here's one right there. You can see where it sits up in this little track here. And there's another one right there, and it sits in here. So then you just pull down on it. Okay, now it's released. You see it, how low it goes. So it gives you plenty of room to work. You can see it up in there. And there's the cabin filter right here. Here's the cover. So you just, there's a little latch right there. And if you notice right here, it says airflow right there. So the airflow is down. So you just want to make sure, because when you put a new filter in there, it goes the same way. Here's the cover on it. Right there. Just a little cover. And then there's the cabin filter right there. You just slide it out. Let's see. Here they are. Mine's pretty dirty, which I'm kind of surprised. I don't have that many miles on it really, but you can see there's a bunch of little leaves in there that make their way through. So this thing does its job. And these aren't that expensive. So I'd advise, if you need a new one, buy them online. A lot of Honda dealers online, not that expensive. It's about 5 minutes. It just pops in there. And then there's the housing. And it's a good idea when you take it out here to look inside here, just to make sure there's nothing in here, because there could be something blocking where the inlet, the incoming air comes in. So you just want to make sure, look in that housing, it looks clean. And then remember, when you put it back, this thing, it tells you on it. Let's see where we are, right here. Get out of here. It's right there. It says airflow. So remember, the airflow goes down. So it'd go in just like this. So I'll put this back in, but I'd probably go ahead and get another one of these. I was assuming I would show you guys, mine would be pretty clean, but obviously it traps a lot of junk. And we've had fires around here, so I'm sure a lot of that is what you're saying, because I am shocked. The car is 9 months old, and I have 2,800 miles on it. So not many, and that's, to me, that's pretty dirty. Maybe you guys let me know if you've checked yours out, if it's maybe dirtier, I don't know, but Seems like a lot of junk in there, especially like leaves, and you can see it. So it's good to know that it actually does its job, not letting all this junk inside the car. So pretty basic how you put it back when you get your new one. Just slides in. Like I said, you kind of have to finagle it a little bit. Okay, and then it just slides in here. You want to be kind of gentle, like in the middle, pushing on it, because you could tear it. So that's how it looks. You just want to make sure the airflow is pointing down. And if you forget, the cover tells you airflow down. Okay, and the cover just goes back in like this. It snaps in. I'll see if I can do it with one hand, but probably can't. Let me put it back up here. Okay. Put this down here. So you guys can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so you're gonna want to put this pin in here. See it right in there. There we go. You hear it snap? Snaps in. Just want to line it up here. And that's how it looks. Really basic. And to put this back up, you'll see these little pins here. Right here. Right here. You can push, all you need is a little bit of pressure. And then as you lift, it'll, see how it snaps back in, it's done. Very easy. And this piece, right here, all you're gonna do, since it's on that little lift, just pull it down and you'll fill a little bar and then pull towards you, really firm. It didn't go all the way down, let me pull it further. You just pull it and it pops. That works. Perfect. And you're all set. So again, it's a good thing to check, especially because if you don't, what happens is you go to the dealer for routine maintenance, they check it. Either it's bad or it's not, but they'll tell you, oh, you need a new cabin filter. I like to pressure you. If you don't know any better, you'll buy it. You know, and they'll charge you, most of them charge a ridiculous amount, either for the part or the labor too. And as you've seen, anybody can do that. It's 3 steps, you're done. So I thought a little helpful advice for you guys. And like I said, I had no idea that mine looks pretty dirty, so I'll be replacing that too. So hope you guys are having a great day. Hope that helps some of you guys. Thanks again for watching my channel. Hope everyone has a great weekend.